front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Firstly, launch Settings and scroll to click on Notifications here. Now you need to select App Notifications at the top. And when you're ready, click on this icon of a magnifying glass at the top right corner to look for any app you are interested in, or click on this icon next to All, also at the top right corner. Thanks to this one, you can sort your apps to see all of them, only apps with recent notifications, with most frequent notifications, or app with notifications already off. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit OK. Now, to block apps from any app, use blue switcher next to it. To switch it back on, use the same, now gray switcher. But what I like to do is clicking on all of my apps I wanna manage on the left. Manage notifications at the top by clicking on this switcher to switch them off or turn them on, and also adjust all of those notification options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!